Hello everyone, my name is Chris Brudinski and I'm a safety advisor for the Motor Safety Association. In today's safety short video, I want to talk to you about a document called the First Aid Register. A First Aid Register can be found in any first aid kit when you go to first purchase one. Some information that must be recorded on the First Aid Register is the name of a person who got injured, the type of injury that person has sustained. We want to know what time and date that injury has taken place, and we need to know what item or items has been removed from that first aid kit. With this information, we can track what has been taken from our first aid kit. We need to know this so that we can always maintain a fully stocked first aid kit for our workers. And the other thing that we can do is that we can possibly identify a negative trend that might be going on within our workplace. For example, if I'm a supervisor and I'm out doing a regular monthly inspection on my first aid kit, and I open up my register and I find that there's been multiple minor injuries back in the shop or on our work site, this is going to prompt me as a supervisor to go back and talk with my workers to find out what's going on and if there's something that we can do to address this issue to avoid those minor injuries in the future. We have to remember that having those little ongoing conversations with our workers is a big part of safety. Having those open lines of communication is important to build that strong safety culture within a business, and using a first aid register is just another tool that we can use to make sure that we are bringing up those conversations with our coworkers to make sure that each of us can go home happy and healthy at the end of the day. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you learned a little bit. If you guys have any other questions about a first aid register or anything else that has to do with safety, by all means, give the Motor Safety Association a call and we will be more than happy to help you out in any way that we can. So until then, take care and stay safe.